The need for law is all the more when a social evil like dowry custom has to be eradicated from the society. Okay, in previous video I told you about social evils, and I also told that in next video we will discuss the utility or need of the law through an example of social evil. So here we are taking the example of dowry system. Do you know what is the dowry system? So dowry, no, don't know the meaning. Dowry is given by the bride's side to the groom's side at the time of marriage. Okay बेटा, bride means लड़की वालों की तरफ से, ग्रूम्स मीन्स लड़के वालों को शादी के टाइम जो दहेज दिया जाता है, जो गुड्स दिए जाते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डाउरी. उसको हम कहते हैं डाउरी. क्लियर? बट it has both side, bright as well as dark side. Some gift willingly given to the groom at the time of marriage may not be subject to the objection. Okay, dowry is both the aspects, positive as well as negative. Some positive aspect is if it is given on bridegrooms or father of the girl by their or his will, then it is not bad. But if it is demanded by the groom sides, then it is not good. Okay बेटा, यदि ब्राइड साइड वाले अपनी ओन विल से, खुद की इच्छा से डाउरी दे रहे हैं, दहेज दे रहे हैं, तो वो गलत नहीं है. ओके, लेकिन यदि ये ग्रूम साइड की तरफ से डिमांड हो रही है तो वो टोटली गलत है. And but due to dowry system, many girls cannot be married only because their parents or family member are not in position to arrange for the dowry. Many people commit female infanticide or female feticide so that they would not have any girl to marry. Okay, and due to this custom, बहुत सारे लोग fetus killing करते हैं, मीन्स और फीमेल इनफेंटिसाइड करते हैं, मीन्स गर्ल चाइल्ड जैसे ही बॉर्न होती है उसको मार दिया जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज दे विल नॉट हैव टू डू देयर मैरिज. ओके बेटा, दिस रिजल्ट इन क्राइम अगेंस्ट द गर्ल, चिल्ड्रन एंड वीमेन. नॉट ओनली दिस, मैनी वुमेन आर ट्रीटेड badly after marriage because their parents were not able to give the demanded or expected dowry. Clear? And not only it is at the time of marriage, but after marriage many girls are treated badly because their parents are not or was not able to give the dowry. It often results in violence against the women, sometimes leading to their murder. Okay, and due to this many times girls or women are murdered. उनका मर्डर भी कर दिया जाता है ड्यू टू दैट डाउरी सिस्टम. ओके, सो टू रिमूव दिस custom from the society, law is essential. Without law you cannot remove the dowry system. Clear beta? Therefore, it is necessary that this social evil is eradicated from the society, even though it has existed in the society from ancient times. Okay, since ancient times it is prevailing or exist in the society. An evil like dowry custom can be eradicated in many ways. Awakening can be spread in society against this evil. Okay, इसको हम हटाने का एक तरीका और है बेटा कि आप सोसाइटी में अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम चलाओ. ओके, दैट इट इज़ नॉट गुड टू टेक द डाउरी, बट इट डज़ नॉट बाइंड द पीपल. लेकिन इससे लोग बाइंड नहीं होंगे. द मोर इफेक्टिव मेथड इज़ टू मेक अ लॉ एंड एनफोर्स इट विद द फोर्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम अलोन इज़ नॉट सफिशिएंट. ठीक है, इसके लिए हमको लॉ बनाना भी ज़रूरी है. तो इस एग्जाम्पल से बेटा ये प्रूव हो जाता है कि इंडिया में लॉ की ज़रूरत क्यों है, वाई लॉ इज़ नीडेड इन इंडिया. आई होप this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.